Hello Wilfred, it's Andon. Now I'm in Costencovci and make a video for you. So now I'm in this parcel who was explain you parcel till the route. You see route here over 15 or 20 meters, and right now I'm walking here in your new parcel. In our left side you can see rocks in the hole, and in front of us we see the mountains. Very nice view. I told you last time, and that's true. And in my right hand side it's your parcel, your that you have already buy. So this one is the parcel who we're talking about in our mails, and I think now I'm walking into the parcel. Here in front of me it's you see my finger, it's root with concrete, and if you need more information, I'll make some photos and send you also. So this is parcel, and if you have questions, please ask me. Thanks, bye.